Hello, Chris here running my video for the Fernando Tatis 19 Stadium Club Sophia rookie. I'm going to scroll here, grab our list. We got Steve, Miller, Melvin, Chris, Miller, Bob, Steve, and Melvin. Copy our list here. Alright, we are live. Our live time is 11:33. Current time is 11:33. Going to run a giveaway. Go. Tatis. Alright, so we're going to roll the dice. Anything over Snake Eyes gets us going. And dice roll at 11:33. Here we go. Going 10 times, guys. First time at 11:33 still. Here we go. Good luck, everybody. First time we got Chris. Second time we got Chris. Third time we got Bob. Fourth time Melvin. Fifth time Chris. Sixth time Miller. Seventh time Steve. Eighth time Bob. Ninth time Steve. 10th and final at 11:34. Winner is Steve. Takes it with spot number 9. Congratulations, Mr. Leggett. Verification code right here. Got our card. Make sure I have a note here so I know where it's going. And there you go, Steve. All yours, bud. And we are going to go back to Facebook. We are going to type in done. Our done time is 11:34. Current time 11:34. Thank you guys very much and enjoy the rest of your Sunday.